Welcome to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, where here I am on vacation and able to get away from the daily grind, the daily pressure. But if there's one thing being on vacation reminds me of, is that getting away from the grind and from the daily life of business is often hard to do. And so what's one thing I can point to help you sleep better at night and to be able to help you put your mind at ease and from your cybersecurity posture? Stick around to find out more. That one tip is testing your backups. Are you actually able to recover from your backup software? What vendor do you have? How often are you testing your backups? Or do you have a backup testing your back? Are you testing your backups quarterly? Are you testing them monthly, bi-weekly, weekly? What does that look like to you? If you aren't testing your backups frequently, then that can lead to huge amounts of data loss, whether that be from ransomware, hardware failure, or even just plain old human error. Case in point, there's a local company we helped out about a year ago around the holiday season. This local company had some hardware failure and we had to go and help them figure out how to get their data back and from their most recent copy. But what had happened is, well, first off, their backups had not been working on several of these servers. What ended up happening is it took even 24 hours to figure out what backups can we even use. We were testing backups that were 7 days old, 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old, just figuring out what's good, what's not good. There was no way of knowing because there was no periodic testing of these backups. We ended up losing around 7 days of data that the accounting team had to spend working around the clock to re-enter all the information, plus keep on top of their daily tasks. Having a solid recovery plan and testing that recovery processes and procedures, knowing what order you're going to restore from, knowing how many days of data you can lose, knowing how quickly it takes to recover from a catastrophic failure. These are all vital to your security posture and probably the most basic building block to help put your mind at ease when it comes to your cybersecurity and just making sure that your data is safe. At the end of the day, your data is your lifeblood. So being able to understand how this data is being protected and how often you're able to recover, and even if you're able to recover, is vital. Or even if you're able to recover, is vitally important. If you don't have a good backup or recovery processes and procedures, understanding how to test your backups, or even understanding your recovery procedure and what that looks like and how you go about that, you need to contact your trusted IT advisor. Or if you don't have that trusted IT professional, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you wish to hear more helpful content in the future, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.